You know, we hear a lot about ancient spices, but today we're really digging into one of the greats, turmeric. For literally thousands of years, it's been seen as this medicinal powerhouse. In this explainer, we're going to uncover what's actually happening inside your body when you drink it.
So here's the big question, right? When you brew that beautiful golden cup of tea and take a sip, what's actually going on inside you, like at a cellular level? Well, we're about to take a journey right inside the body to see exactly how this one drink can have such a huge impact. So here's our game plan. We'll start with a little history on this golden powerhouse. Then we'll get into how it fights inflammation, that silent fire. We'll talk about protecting your body's defenses, and even some benefits beyond general immunity. Then, of course, how to brew the perfect cup, and we'll wrap up with the big wellness takeaway. All right, let's start with its reputation as an ancient golden powerhouse. We're talking about a spice that's been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for centuries. What's so cool is that modern science is now catching up and actually proving what ancient wisdom has known all along. See, when you brew turmeric into a tea, you're not just making a warm drink. You're actually creating this super efficient delivery system. You're unlocking its most powerful compounds and sending them straight into your body to get to work. Okay, next up, fighting a silent fire. And this right here is really the heart of turmeric's power. It's this incredible ability to go after chronic inflammation, which we now know is one of the root causes of so many modern health problems. And the superstar of this whole story? It's a compound called curcumin. That's what gives turmeric that amazing color, and it's where all the magic happens. Its anti-inflammatory effects are the real deal, totally backed by science. It basically works by telling a specific molecule in our cells to, just calm down and stop triggering so much inflammation. And here's why that is so important. Think of it like this. If your body is constantly dealing with this low-grade internal fire, your immune system is distracted. It's overworked. By putting out that fire, curcumin frees up your immune system to do its real job, which is fighting off the actual bad guys like viruses and bacteria. But wait, there's more. The benefits don't just stop with inflammation. Let's look at how turmeric helps in protecting your body's defenses. We're talking about its power as an antioxidant and a really amazing partnership it forms. So, turmeric tea essentially puts up this antioxidant shield all around your body. It goes to work neutralizing these nasty things called free radicals that cause all sorts of damage. This protects your immune cells, it helps keep your DNA stable, and it even helps shield really sensitive places like your brain. Now, this is where it gets really cool, the power of synergy. By itself, turmeric is an amazing anti-inflammatory. But when you pair it with ginger, whoa, something incredible happens. You get all of turmeric's power, plus better circulation and some serious antiviral backup. They are a true dynamic duo. Yeah, ginger brings its own special skills to the team. It's already famous for its ability to fight bacteria and viruses head-on. So when you put the two together, you've got this incredible defense system against everyday stuff like the common cold and the flu. And the story gets even more impressive. We're going beyond general immunity now. In this section, we're going to see how turmeric offers some really specialized, long-term protection for our most important organs. And this stuff is? Well, it's pretty mind-blowing. Research has shown that curcumin can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. That means it can get into your brain to reduce inflammation, potentially offering some protection against diseases like Alzheimer's. And get this, some studies even suggest it has cancer-fighting potential, showing it can actually cause certain cancer cells to die off. Just remarkable. So how does it help your whole body? Well, a great immune system needs great circulation. Turmeric helps by boosting your body's production of something called nitric oxide. This molecule tells your blood vessels to just relax and open up. This improves blood flow, and that makes it way easier for your white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune system, to get wherever they need to go. Okay, so that's all the amazing science. Now let's get practical. How do you actually brew your perfect cup? Let's look at how easy it is to make this part of your routine for a nice, natural boost. And here's the best part. It's so easy to make. Seriously, you don't need any special gadgets. You can just grate some fresh turmeric root. You can find it in most grocery stores now. Or just use a good quality dried powder that you probably already have in your spice rack. And beyond all those long-term benefits, a lot of people just love the way it makes them feel.
It gives you this nice, natural energy boost. Not that jittery feeling you get from too much coffee, but more of a smooth, sustained focus and mental clarity that really helps you get through the day. And that brings us to our final stop, your wellness takeaway. We've gone deep inside the body to see what this amazing spice can do, so let's just boil it all down to the one thing you really need to remember. At the end of the day, it really just comes down to this. Taking care of your health doesn't have to be super complicated or crazy expensive. Bringing an ancient, simple, and really effective remedy like turmeric tea into your life is just a powerful, practical way to support your body's defenses every single day. So, I'll leave you with a question to think about. After everything we've talked about today, what's just one simple thing you could do starting right now to give your body's incredible defense system a little more support?